Okay, hi guys. As you can see, my laptop screen is cracked, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace it. So first off, you want to start by removing the little caps on the screws. Mine are in the corners down here, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Okay, so I've removed the little caps from both screws. Now you can see they're exposed. So now what you want is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you want to take both of these out. Okay, so I've removed the screws on either side. Now what you want to do is get in the corner and start popping off the screen. Like so. Okay, so I've gone along the bottom and made sure that it's completely undone, so that's the screen bit off. Now as you can see, there's screws 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the corners which hold the screen on. So what you're going to do is take all those out. Make sure you've powered off your laptop before you do this step. So I've removed all the screws, so now you can remove the screen from its mounts. Okay, now this here is where the screen gets plugged in. What you're going to want to do is peel up this bit of tape so that you can pop out the connector. And now you can see I've removed this connector, and I'll be plugging it into the new screen, which I bought from Screen Country. The link to their website will be in the description. Okay, so I've got the new screen here and I'm gonna connect it. So the screen is connected, and now I'm gonna screw it back in place and then start the computer up and check that the screen's working and there's no faults with it. I've screwed on the new screen and now I'm gonna see if it works. As you can see, the screen is working and there doesn't appear to be any faults. So now what I'm going to do is make sure that you remove the protective cover from the screen before you reinstall the front cover. Okay, so now you just got to go along and snap this back in place. Now what you want to do is put the screws that you took out to start with back in, replace the caps, and you have successfully installed your laptop screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.